Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the DOACE 350 watt travel adapter. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of the box, obviously a lot of charging adapters here. Simple device. We're going to plug in, have power, and again, this is going to give me lots of travel options to work with. Let's go ahead and get this up. So first and foremost, plug this in like so. Now, this will have, as you can tell, different options to make sure that you can work it with whatever kind of connection you have. So I'm in America. If I travel to Europe, I remember that. But you also have a couple other options. So they will kind of specify, I don't know if you can see the writing in there, but they do have kind of the specifics written in on each one. But this is going to be mine that I'm going to utilize. And so the nice thing is that this can plug right into a wall if you're in the EU, or you can just put on that adapter for our purposes here. Now, this is going to allow me to kind of just plug in to an American 3-prong outlet as well. And then I'm going to also have 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A charging points. So we'll go ahead and plug this in and just show you something charging. Again, please note that these do provide multiple connection points. So this alone can kind of work as a charger converter, but this is going to give me more of the power converter. So we'll go ahead and plug this in just so you have an idea of how this works, and take it from there. Before I continue here, there are going to be a nice padded little bag here that you can utilize. So that's a real nice feature to work with as well. So not something that's necessarily obvious is that it would be padded. So let's go ahead and show the charger. So once again, utilizing my typical American outlet, we're going to plug this in. There is a power switch, just be aware of that. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and I'm going to just switch over here so we can see that we're going to utilize, and let's open this up a little bit so you can see everything, a USB-C charging cable. If I can ever get these in the first time, I'd be amazed. And we'll just plug something in here to show that it's working. So it does help when you turn the power on. And so I've got that green light there. Second thing I'm going to do is demonstrate this USB-C charger also at the same time. So we're charging up a charging brick. All right, and the third thing I'm going to plug in is just this little portable security camera that I like to take around with me. I keep that in my bedroom or my hotel room, and sometimes what we need to do is just simply turn the on-off switch, and there we go. We got juice on yet but another device. So these are all charging up all at the same time. It may just kind of require just a flip of the switch to kind of utilize these three. Again, this is great for traveling. Going overseas for me makes it a much easier solution there. But that's the beauty here, is that you've got multiple options as far as how this converts, and it's got a lot of juice. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.